Uh-oh.
Tristan's not happy about that.
See how big that one is?
Oh, come
Why
on,
don't you
Drake.
have any? Why don't you have some water balloons?
Hey, get off of me. He's not afraid to hit me, Drake. Fine, Tristan. Tristan, you go out there and let Uncle Scott get you.
You need your balloons out of the sun or they're going to pop.
Go out there and let him get you.
She's kind of tender.
Go ahead, Tristan. Throw your balloon.
Throw one.
Throw one at Drake. Go get Drake.
No.
You throw them where you want.
Get off the... Get off the porch, Trista.
Just leave him there.
Watch out.
I told him to grab two and run and throw them.
She wants to take hers in the grass. Can you help her?
You want him in the grass? Here. No. Come on. You want him in the grass? Where?
Don't.
Drakey, you're out here to get wet.
Yeah.
He's behind his mother purposely so he won't get wet.
Get your balloons and throw them. Here, watch out. You're going to get
Get it, Trista. Get him.
Woo!
Oh, yeah? More brave than her brother.
It hit him, but it didn't break.
James,
Come on. Trista, come back. Why don't you stand with Tristan and you both get it?
Why am I out here doing this?
he's not going to throw it. He's not going to throw it. Actually, he'll throw it down at the ground.
Come on, Dad. You go out there with them.
Get him.
Go throw balloons with Dad. Drakey. Get him, Trista.
Yeah. Do it.
She wants you to do it.
She saw you.
Oh, come on, Drake.
She's going to get mad at you, Scott.
Come on, Drakey.
Don't be chicken.
One at a time. Holy moly. You're wasting them up.
Hey, you are not allowed to be behind me. Go get him, Drake. Go get him. Oh, get him.
Did he just drop it? What happened?
I tried to throw it, but
It broke.
out of my hand. Throw it at your brother.
Go get Drake.
Not me.
Oh!
Oh,
We're all out.
oh, Drake's got more.
Throw it to me.
Ah!
Hey.
Nice.
Not in the head.
Yeah, be nice.
She's got her covered. She thought it was funny.
Drake, come
Move from there, Drake. Hurry up.
Hey, that one bounces.
Ah,
Oh,
Throw it at Joy. Throw it at Joy.
hurry. They're all done.